step into a world of giants. These machines are a testament to human ingenuity, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Watch in amazement as they navigate challenging landscapes and perform incredible feats. Let's explore. You're facing a mountain of timber. What's your secret weapon? The Log Ripper X18. This 1830mm excavator saw is built for efficiency, making docking and ripping a breeze. Whether it's hardwoods, softwoods, or anything in between, the Log Ripper X18 conquers it all with power and precision. Imagine the hidden dangers lurking within those root balls, waiting to surprise unsuspecting burkers. It's a scenario that sends chills down your spine, isn't it? That's why awareness and preparedness are crucial in this field. Let's talk about the Ponce Ergo, a machine that's redefining logging. It's got a massive 268 horsepower Mercedes engine and 8-wheel drive, so it can handle anything you throw at it. And with a hydraulic crane that extends to 36 feet, you can reach and lift the biggest trees with precision. If you're a logger looking for top-tier performance, the Ergo is the way to go. This HSL60 mulcher is a game-changer for forestry work. ProMax chip production rotor delivers a fine, even mulch and keeps the drum speed consistent for optimal performance. Its compact design and lightweight give you excellent visibility and maneuverability, perfect for smaller machines in the 70 to 95 horsepower range. At $36,125, it's a serious investment for serious forestry professionals. You know, cutting down a tree, it's not as simple as it looks. It's a skill you build over time, with every cut of the chainsaw. Hey! Hey! Sure, you'll make mistakes along the way, but that's how you learn, right? Those mistakes? They're gold, pure gold. The Perna Lane is more than just a saw. It's a connection to the past, a symbol of quality and tradition. When you hear that steady hum and smell that fresh wood, you're experiencing a piece of history. It's a reminder of a time when things were made with care and built to last. Alright folks, check this out. This Tatra Phoenix 6x6 demonstration showcases incredible power and balance. You won't want to miss this. This guy is insane. He makes cutting trees look so easy when it's not. People need to understand that he's working with a scalpel here. He's a surgeon, and he's doing heart surgery. This type of cut needs to be perfect, and he nailed it, obviously. This is the most precise cut I ever see. Experienced foresters with their deep understanding of wood mechanics and safety protocols are best equipped to handle these fallen giants. It's a delicate balance between respecting the forces of nature and applying precise human intervention. Check this out. This Ponce Ergo is a beast. Watch how it tackles those massive Douglas fir and grand fir trees. The active frame, C5 crane, and H8 head work together like a well-oiled machine, making every step smooth and efficient. Less downtime means more timber, and that translates to bigger profits. Sure, it costs a pretty penny, somewhere between $275,000 and $385,000. But if you're serious about boosting your output, this machine is worth every cent. FAE's Patrizio 200 forestry mulcher, featuring bite limiter rotor technology and carbide hammers, redefines land clearing efficiency. Mounted on the Antonio Carraro TTR 7600 tractor, it effortlessly handles vegetation up to 15 centimeters in diameter. With adjustable skids, counterblades for fine mulching, a hydraulic hood, and a heat-treated tooth holder with mini BL blades and mini C/3 teeth, this machine delivers precision and power. He's lucky he didn't get electrocuted. But imagine how many people filed complaints after they found out he caused a power outage. This Track Artilio ST130 ain't no ordinary sawmill, folks. This baby boasts a 1300mm blade, a 168mm rim. It's built to handle massive logs. And with its electric guide saw and hydraulic lift, every cut's smooth, every cut's precise. Plus, the EO 700 carriage with its hydraulic clamps and movable battens makes loading and adjusting a breeze. This sawmill's a workhorse, plain and simple. Don't you just love it when you see animals and humans working together like this? It's so inspiring. These horses are clearly enjoying themselves, and their handler is so proud of them. It warms your heart. Witness the raw power and precision of the EC210, Excavator, and TIPA 1000 attachment as they make quick work of stubborn stumps in Kellinga Gotland. This is stump removal redefined, efficient, effective, and undeniably impressive. Well, is cutting down a tree dangerous? It sure is. Check out that arm on the WA450LL. It's like something out of a sci-fi movie, reaching out and grabbing those giant logs. It's awesome. But you know what? Sometimes even this beast of a machine has trouble. Makes you realize just how strong nature really is. You know what's really satisfying? Seeing someone solve a problem with pure creativity. This homemade log splitter does exactly that. It's clever, efficient, and just plain cool. I bet everyone watching this wishes they had one. Okay, so you want to take down a tree? First things first, you gotta know where that baby's gonna land. Don't get cocky, every tree has a mind of its own. This is insane. These guys are hauling timber down a mountain that looks like it's straight out of a movie. The concentration, the precision, the sheer bravery. It's mind-blowing. Someone give these drivers a medal. Can you believe this? A DIY stump grinder that's just as good as the ones you buy in stores? I know, right? It's incredible. But before we get too excited, let's remember that safety is the most important thing. We want to make sure everyone stays safe while using this amazing invention. Let's be honest, nobody likes dealing with stumps. But with the Tarosa KK900 Contakura, it's a breeze. This heavy-duty harvester, built for excavators in the 16 to 22-ton range, makes quick work of even the toughest stumps. Efficient, powerful, and reliable, the KK900 is the ultimate solution for land clearing and forestry professionals. This is definitely something you never want to encounter while cutting down a tree. I've had my share of driving adventures, from snowy roads to mountain passes in Europe. But the SRS truckers truly impressed me. Their expertise in those conditions is remarkable. It puts our American hills into perspective. Well, I have a question. Can anyone tell me why loggers always drop their saws so close to the stumps where they could get crushed? Holy crap, that tree just disappeared. Anticipate all possible scenarios and clear your escape route. Those are the things you have to remember when you start cutting down a tree. Whoa! Check out that timber truck battling the mud. It's like a monster truck rally gone wrong. Ever wondered how tough it is to get those logs from the forest to the mill? This is it, folks. A real-life obstacle course. Well, that was a nail biter, and the winner is... I'm certain this is the worst situation anyone would never want to experience, like you're gambling with your own life.
Yeah, you gotta bore cut them ones.
The Ponce Vicent is a marvel of modern forestry engineering. Its 8-wheel design provides exceptional stability and maneuverability, allowing it to navigate challenging terrain with minimal impact. The operator's cabin is ergonomically designed for comfort and efficiency, enhancing productivity while minimizing fatigue. The Cubic 2 isn't just a machine, it's a revolution in firewood processing. Built to last and engineered for efficiency, it optimizes your workflow like nothing else. The upfront cost is significant, $10,000 to $15,000 USD, but for serious producers, the ROI on this workhorse is undeniable. We're talking reduced labor, increased output, and a faster turnaround. That's money in your pocket. This ain't no toy, folks. This is the 640H, and it's built for one thing: getting the job done. We're talking raw power, unstoppable force. You want to move some timber? This is your machine. No excuses, no complaints, just results.
Oh,
Drop a 1 in the comments if our video blew your mind. Your support fuels our creative fire.
okay, she's going.
Now, this is what I call a challenge. But these guys, they're tougher. Every swing counts, and with those last trees down, it's all about extraction. Problem is, this snow's gonna turn the whole mountain into a trap if they don't hustle. It's a game of inches now, and Mother Nature's got the home advantage.
Nice log.
reforestation is more than just planting trees. It's about restoring balance to our planet. It's about protecting our ecosystems, combating climate change, and securing a healthier future for generations to come. The Braca Forest T26A is a key player in this vital effort. This innovative machine is revolutionizing reforestation, making it more efficient and sustainable than ever before. It's a testament to human ingenuity and our commitment to a greener planet. Risky stuff, but someone's got to do it. Transporting timber through the dense forests of Belgium presents unique challenges. However, the HSM208 tractor offers a seamless solution. Its robust design, featuring a powerful chassis and large wheels, ensures effortless movement across challenging terrain. The result? Efficient and effective timber extraction. Oh my gosh. Come on, folks. Let's check out this wood production line. Those logs are flying through that saw. Talk about a wild ride. And look how smoothly they glide along that conveyor belt, getting prepped and primed to become something amazing. It's like watching raw potential transform before our eyes.
What we doing, the big boys?
Drop a 1 in the comments if our video blew your mind. Your support fuels our creative fire.
Grind now, it's coming together, baby.
You see that tractor over there? Man, those tires are huge. They gotta be, though, to get a grip on that bumpy ground. Imagine trying to haul all that timber without them. You'd be slipping and sliding all over the place. The world of machines is truly vast and fascinating, isn't it? We hope you had an informative and enjoyable time exploring it with us. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay tuned for our upcoming videos.